Welcome to Journal Treasures. My name is Galit, and today I have a bit of a haul for you. At first I thought of putting a different kind of video for today, but my mail came and I really wanted to share with you. As you can see, everything is still closed. I haven't even opened it yet. I can't wait to see what's inside because I bought a few things, so I don't know what's here and what didn't come yet, so we'll see. Okay, let's start. I'm so excited. I hope I'm not cutting anything important. I brought myself a hot cocoa. Oh yeah, that's good. So let's see. They even got me a card. Yay! Oh my god. I'm so excited. A new... Whoa, this one is huge, I think. Yeah, this is much bigger. I think I will have to buy a smaller one because you can see the difference, but I love that. Great. So let's put this aside and let's continue. Ooh, I think this here I can cut. I'll try to cut at the top. Oh, stamps. I really wanted some mushroom stamps, so... Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, wow, wait. I just can't wait to use them. Wait, oh my god. Love that. Ooh, they're so beautiful. Let me try one. I'm just grabbing. I can't wait, so. And let me grab some paper. And my block. This is the bigger block. Ooh, these are so beautiful. I hope it comes out good because I already had a few that didn't. Okay, let's try. Oh, I didn't put in the middle, but I love that. Okay, nice. So let me just put it back. And let's put this aside. And let's continue. Okay, so this one is empty. And now I have this one. I think I will just cut it from here. Oh, love those. Oh my god, the tickets. They're so beautiful. You can make gorgeous tickets with this. Wow, wow. I love that. I have to try. Where's the page? Okay, where's the block? Here is the bigger block. I tried this one. And this time I want to put this, even though it's busy, I still want to put it like that. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. Wow. This could be a beautiful ephemera. Love that. Okay, we have this one. It's very packed, so I don't know where to cut. Let me cut here. My white, I don't have any white pens at all. They're all writing well. Nice. Love that. So let me put them here already. Let's continue, but before that I'm gonna grab my hot cocoa. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh my god, yes. These are the BTS stickers that came. Yes. Oh my god, they're so cute. I love that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Cookie. Jungkook. Nice. Wow. Love that. Okay, let me cut the next one. I cut a bit of the packaging, so I hope everything is okay. Oh, more stickers. Oh, yes. Some beautiful stickers. I love that. Oh, this one is beautiful. So we have more stickers, which are always fun. Oh, it's a little mushroom. Oh my god, so cute. Okay, let me put this aside. And now we have this one. This cute small one. Washi tape. Nice. I don't have any white washi tape. And I really wanted something to use in my art journal and to use just in random if I want in my junk journal. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Can't wait to use that. Ooh, we have another one here. I think this is also a washi tape. Yes. Oh my god, the script one with all the images. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. Oh, it tore. But even this cute thing can be a cute ephemera, so keep it. Beautiful, beautiful washi tape. Ah! It just... it's stuck on me. Okay. Oh, it doesn't stick very well though. I think I will have to use some glue. But still, it's beautiful. I don't know why there is a clear one here. I will have to look into that. Okay, let's... I think we have some room here to cut. Ah. Whoa, this is only script. These are the same, I think. Yeah, how beautiful. Just random script. And I think there is a mathematical equation here as well. So cute. Okay, we have a block. I'm trying. Because I don't know, I don't want to ruin something that is there. The small washi tapes, yes. The packaging is amazing. Whoa. Love those. Oh my god. They're so beautiful. Can't wait to use them. beautiful. I love this one. Whoa. Very, very vintage. Ooh, and the glue is strong. Look how beautiful it is. Let's open another small one. And then we'll open the bigger one. I don't know what this is. I really don't know what this is. Is this the small booklets? Okay, we'll have to open it and see. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oh, it opens like that. Okay. Oh, these are small postcards. Yes, I remember. Look how beautiful they are. Love them. And some of them even has this kind of postcards. So love these. And love the packaging as well. Okay, and what is this? Oh, let me just put everything back as much as I can. Oh wow, love that. Beautiful. Look how cute it is. Let me open this one. I think this one is the same but different subject. It doesn't slide. Ah, yes. Oh, this is so cute. Love that. So cute. Oh my god. This could be such cute ephemera. Whoa. Love that. Okay. Wow, I love that. These are beautiful, so cute and so beautiful. Love that. Now let me open the big one. Okay, just gonna grab another sip. Oh, yummy. This one is big. What is it? Okay. I don't know what it is at all. Oh, yes. Yes. And some stickers. Yes. I never had a date stamper and I really wanted one for so long. And I'm just gonna cut this. I don't care. Yes. It doesn't come out. Yes. And it has a cute stand that you can put it in. So cute. Oh, this can be a beautiful ephemera as well. Beautiful. Whoa. I would put it something like that. We'll cut it and we'll put it something can slot in. Love that. We'll keep that. But I really want to see how the stamp is. So let me grab. And today is I never use that, so I hope I'm doing it okay. Nope. Okay. Let me try this again. 2, 1. Okay, let me try this again. Oh yes! Oh, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited. I never had a date stamp. Ah, this is so beautiful. Yes, love that. Oh, and stickers. I love stickers. Okay, put this aside. Oh, look how beautiful this one is as well. It can be a beautiful ephemera. So we're gonna keep that. Oh, different kind of pages. Yes. I really wanted some different kind of thin but cute ephemera, so I love that. Beautiful. And those are stickers. Yes. Oh, this can be beautiful as well. Love that. Ooh, different kind of labels and numbers. I love those. Oh, this one is so beautiful. It's not sticker. I thought it's a sticker, but it's not. It's paper. Loved it. Oh, this one is so cute. Oh, look how cute this one is. Oops, it's backward. Yes. Love, love, love these. Whoa. I love that they are thin. A lot didn't come. So I'm still waiting for that. But I'm so excited for this haul. And this is such a cute haul. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe that all of these came so soon, actually. And there are so many stickers. I love that. Oh my gosh. And also, of course, the stamps that came. So yeah, this is pretty much the haul of everything. I really hope you enjoyed going through them with me. I loved everything and I can't wait to use them in my journal, and I just love them. And oh my god, these tickets and these mushrooms stamps are so beautiful, and I can't wait to use them. They are so gorgeous. I will link everything down below for you, so you can buy it yourself if you want. And I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Bye! Thank you.